mga after ilang dates, ay parang nagkakaroon ka na ng criteria. So yun naman yung mahirap kasi dahil marami ka nang na-date, tapos nakita mo na yung market, may criteria ka na. So parang, ayoko pala ng ganun, ayoko pala ng ganun. So ayun na yung mahirap. So sa next round ng dating mo, na bigla mo na silang na-eliminate na kahit picture pa lang. So ayun.
Okay. I'll share mine para kakat ko to. Yeah. With my fair share of dating experiences here, I can really definitely agree with your side that as you go along with dating here, different nationalities, different background, you'll get to know yourself more. I think yun yung pinakamagandang na idulot ng dating app here. Like, okay, the conversation is so good, ang dami namin na pag-usapan, it was so exciting.
Tsaka
Pero,
malalaman mo yung culture
isipin
nila.
mo, will I go again for another date here? Hindi. Or maybe yes, maybe no. Pero yun nga, ma-open ka. That is not that scary at all to date people. And yun nga, different background different culture. Like, whenever I go for a date, I always ask them, okay lang bang, ano yung madalas mo kinakain? Let's go there because I want to explore culture. And you'll be able to explore the culture through the foods. So sabi, okay, this is interesting hindi ko pa na-try before. So
diba?
yun, mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo, then mas nakikita mo, okay, parang gusto ko tong ganito. Pero may kita mo na iba na, hindi ko to gusto. And minsan, pag nakaka-chat mo, okay siya, pero pag nakikita in person, hindi pala.
Hindi pala, diba?
Totally different. And the bad side naman, like, I think yung sinashare mo is like the Netflix syndrome when it comes to dating. Like, the Netflix syndrome is like, di ba sa Netflix, ang dami kang mapapanood. The hardest part is dahil sa sobrang dami ng choices, you find it hard to choose one na. And you're thinking sometimes that maybe the next one will be better. Karoon ako ng gano'n. It's like, sa sobrang dami kong ma-meet, parang darating ka sa point na, it was so good, pero itong isa kong nakachat, baka mas okay pa To the point na wala ka na mapili.
Oo, totoo.
To watch the full episode, just go to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Just search Bienterview. Also, do follow me on all the social media platforms. Just search Bienvenido Marquez Baxal or Bien Viajero. It will truly help the channel grow. Thank you.